Busoga all over the world, as I officially announce that we have gotten Her Highness, the Inhebantu of Busoga, following the just concluded traditional ceremonies earlier in the day that were successfully held. With the traditional ceremonies now out of the way, arrangements are underway for the Isebantu to present his dear wife to the Christ Cathedral Bugembe on Saturday, the 18th of November, for the celebration of Holy Matrimony. And we'll also unveil the Inhebantu to the people of Busoga and the world at large. On behalf of the people of Busoga, the surrounding areas, and on my own behalf, I wish to congratulate the Isebantu, the Kyabazinga Bwa Busoga, and the Inhebantu upon this great and memorable decision of having a family which is synonymous with our Busoga culture. This is a true reflection of how cultured our king and the queen are. As a person, just like other Busoga who love the kingdom, I am satisfied that Busoga's missing link has finally been formed. And I can confirm with certainty that more blessings await us ahead. I also thank the parents on both sides for the ministry of raising the children. I also want to appreciate the team that worked behind the scenes to deliver us the required, including the entourage that I moved with for this blessed. May all of you be blessed tenfold. I appeal to Busoga, to us all over the world, to keep both the Inhebantu and the Isebantu in your daily prayers for God, Allah, to bless this new union that Busoga has been longing for, and above all, to continue superintending over our institution. Kyabazinga Bwa Now, Her Highness, momentous, jogging.